Hey guys, welcome back to Life with Zara. So today, I feel like a singer actually doing that part. So today is a Reset Sunday vlog and come along. You're trying to organize your shizzles, but the main focus, the main man, this is what life is about. So shoot, look at everything and everything. Huh? Anyone else just like keep medicines for like no reason? Like you just forget to throw the shit away. Gosh, clutter, clutter, clutter. So it's 12 o'clock. At least the kitchen is clean and organized. Now I need to put this on the cupboards because baby is just babying. You can come fast. And it's 12 o'clock. It feels like 5 o'clock to me. And I'm obsessed with this water bottle that everybody's like selling right now. And I'm obsessed with the price that I got it for. I got it for $120, and a lot of people, it's 3 bottles, sell it for 200 rand, and I got it for $120. And that makes me so happy. Wow! Happy! Happy! Guys, I'm so exhausted. Honestly, I didn't get to do everything that I wanted to do today. Like have these disgusting nails removed, these gel nails, and so much things. We just cleaned all day. It's that end of the year kind of cleaning, prepping for the new year, and I like to do these things in November and then just touch up every second week into the new year, because December is all about a lifestyle. December is a lifestyle. I don't have time to clean in December, but I'm here with the kids. Guys, I'm here with the kids. As you can see, I'm chilling with my boys. Boys, it's crazy out here. Life of being a boy mom. So guys, it's a few... Okay, can you stop now?
I'm waking up.
It's a few hours later, you guys, and I'm extremely exhausted. I'm so sorry. This is the second vlog and I'm just looking tired. I mean, when I say happy is like 10 kids. Habib is like 10 kids. Like, no, Habib. And he's like, no, no, Habib. No, you can't do that. In less than 1 minute, how many things has he done? Hey guys, happy Monday. I know this vlog was short and sweet, but I'm uploading again, and I just wanted to say thank you so much for everybody that's here. Please subscribe, because when you subscribe, you motivate me to post more videos. And please share this video if you already subscribed. See you next time, and I hope you have a fantastic, lovely, peaceful, productive and goal achieving week, inshallah. I mean, bye.